So today in the shop we're going to be making one of those gigantic squares. You've seen them before. They look extremely handy. So I went ahead and loaded up a 10 gauge sheet of steel, which is just a bit thicker than 1/8 inch. I'm cutting it on my Langmuir System CNC plasma cutter. And then Prime Weld Cut 60 is my plasma cutter. The plasma cutter settings are 60 psi of air, 40 amps, and 60 inches per minute. And that gets some pretty nice looking cuts out of 10 gauge. So here we're just cutting the perimeter pieces. Here they all are. And then the center piece, just got to knock off the slag and clean it up. That's what the core looks like. Kind of funny shaped, but it'll make sense when it's complete if you haven't seen this before. Here we go, I got it mocked up. That's about what it's going to look like. We're going to tack it into place. Here we're just tacking it up. So here it is, all tacked up. I had it nice and square, so I'm going to add some more weld to it, but not too much. I don't want to distort the metal. So you got those rat holes in the middle, so you can throw a clamp all the way through. You got 135-degree angle, multiple 90s, 45s. It's a pretty sweet tool. And here it is with the mock-up. I mean, obviously, a 90 is pretty easy to do without this giant square, but just shows you just some clamps, some steel, gives you an extra hand, which is nice. All that's left to do is church it up a little bit, weld in those seams, get some nice edges, oil it. I think it'll be a useful tool. I've got the cut files if you guys are interested. Just give me an email. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.